Hi guys, and welcome to another episode of Tutorial Tuesday on Davinci Resolve. Last time we talked about snapping, what it is and how to use it exactly. If you missed that one, the link is in the top right and in the description, so check that one out if you want to know how snapping works. Today we're going to talk about music, how to add it to your clips and make your clips more whole, add another dimension to your clips really. Right now I got a plain, boring clip without anything added to it, without anything changed to it. So we're gonna play that one to see how dull it actually is. Now, as you can see, this is actually just a clip picked up from Twitch, replays, just added in the timeline, nothing more than that. I have two tracks, a video one and an audio one track, and that's actually just the video and the audio from the clip itself. Now I'm gonna add music to it using the Fairlight tab. So I'm click on the Fairlight tab, and from here I can click on Sound Library, where I can add sounds and music to it. I can click on the triple dots here and add library to add a folder to Davinci Resolve where he copies music and sounds from. Right now that's for me the background music folder. I already downloaded all the music and added it to Davinci Resolve, so there's nothing in here right now. For you there will be. Go to the folder, select the files you want to import to Davinci Resolve, and then you can search the files by name over here. So from there I can drag the music to a new track, which is audio 2, and from here I can go back to edit, and I can see that the music I added is much longer than the clip. So I want it to be the same as the clip, so I cut the music and I change the audio levels a little bit. I'll explain that in a different video, how to do that exactly and what's the use of it. I'm gonna lower it and I'm gonna play the clip again. And as you can see, this adds another dimension to your clip. It's kind of raw, still kind of basic. I didn't edit the music, so it doesn't really follow the clip as much as it should. But to show you how you can easily make it happen, I'll just skip in time a little bit, spend a few minutes on it and see what kind of result I can make from it. Okay guys, here we are again, a few minutes later. I edited the clip a little bit, played a little bit with the music, with the sound levels, and let's see what we got right now. So this wasn't really professional in any kind. I didn't really spend that much time on it, but I lined up the sound with the clip, added a nice drop in the music, changed the sound levels up a little bit and added an ending to it. This is a way you can play with your music a little bit, but right now you know how to add music to your library, and from here on it's for you to figure out what you want to do with it exactly. I hope this video helped you out. If you have any comments, please leave them in the comment section. And I'll see you guys next week with another episode of Tutorial Tuesday.